Hello everyone, this is Nature Park sited in Kandhamal district in Daringbadi, and this is the spotlight of Daringbadi. This is called Kashmir of Odisha, and you can see this oil is looking exactly like a human being. This is the place you can see. So this is a icon house of tribal people of Odisha in Daringbadi. Everywhere you can see the plants. Everywhere there are pine tree, which makes Daringbadi more beautiful, and everyone's got attracted towards Daringbadi. Thank you for watching this.